Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings to you all. It was requested to me for me to make some ice cubes out of some aloe vera, some fresh aloe vera. How I'm going to do this, I'll explain this later. These are my ice cube molds. They're silicone molds. I made this product for myself, and I told one of my sisters, and she was like, oh my God, that is so cool. Can you make me some? So I'm going to make her some. I had 2 of these leaves, right? That's going to get me through about 7 of these. I have 5 on hand. I have to put it on my cutting board so it'll stay even while it's in the freezer. But I already cut up one. I'm using my glass dish because I don't want anything to fall on the floor. This is the first leaf right here. And this is my machine. I have a shake blender. And what I do is screw this on, and it's just like a Ninja blender. I got this from Goodwill. They had it for like $5. So brand new at Walmart. This is a GE brand, but brand new at Walmart it's like $20. So what I'm going to do for y'all is grind this in the blender and grind this up in the blender, and I'm going to strain all the juice off it and pour it, very carefully pour it in these molds and freeze it. And I'm going to put it, I have a container, and I'm going to put it in the container. And the reason why I do this is because one of the other sisters that I know, she told me that aloe vera works miracles for her skin. So what I did, I saw another lady on YouTube. She preserved her aloe vera. She did her aloe vera the same way that I'm doing mine, but she preserved her aloe vera with the regular size ice cubes, and then she'll just take one out and rub it on her face and put it back on the freezer. This is my point. I have these little containers from Walmart. I don't use them anymore because I don't like to put product in this because it'll leak. But what I do is I go in the freezer twice every day, and I take one of these ice cubes out, and I let it melt, and I pour it, I put it in here and let it melt and pour it in my hand, and that is just enough to rub all over your whole face. It's so perfect. Like it doesn't get any better than that. And I only take the ice cubes out as I need them. If you need it for something else, you can take a handful of them and thaw it out. You know, let it thaw out at room temperature, and it'll be ready by the time you wash your face and you get to do your regimen, whatever time of day or night. But this is, some of it got on my hand. My hand is so soft, but this is the best way. And these molds here were 93 cents from eBay. 93 cents. And they so little. I had actually bought this because a friend of mine told me, she was like, Aaliyah, you like to make all kind of different stuff. Why don't you get into bath bombs? And this is the thing that they use. They put, I forgot what they call it, but they put these things in different colors, and they put it in the bath bomb. So when you put the bath bomb in, your bath bomb is shooting out all kind of different colors all over the place. And this is what they used to use. So I got 5 of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm not gonna keep y'all any longer. And when I have my ice cubes, I will be back. Or when I blend this, first I'm gonna blend this. Go ahead and just blend it now, and then I'll come back and strain it, and then I'll pour it into the molds, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to take this out in the juice that's already loose. I'm going to just strain that now so it won't be in the way. Okay, this is how it looks after it's blended. It's real bubbly. I'm going to let this settle down. While I let this settle down, I'm going to cut my second leaf. I'll be back. All right, I had me a little snack. I'm back. This is my finished product. The aloe vera juice is fully strained and all that other good stuff. So I'm going to dump it in here. Dump it. And it's going to go straight into my ice cube trays. Be back once again. Assalamu alaikum, peace, love, and blessings to you all once again. I am back. My ice cubes, or my first batch of ice cubes is finished. This is 255 ice cubes so far. No, I lied. It's 3, whatever. It doesn't matter. But I'll give y'all a final count when I do it. But 5 of these cubes, I think, is 255 or something like that. I don't remember. But you have perfect little heart-shaped aloe vera ice cubes. And doing this, one lesson I'm going to tell y'all, one lesson I learned. I try to explain to people that it's not good to use a lot of the lotions, soaps, shampoos, conditioners, a lot of the things that's in the store. But Lily of the Desert, or Lily of the Valley, a few years ago, I bought that brand. It comes in a brown, chocolate brown bottle that you cannot see through. I bought that brand. I bought a gallon of juice and a gallon of the brand aloe vera fillet. If you get the real aloe vera and you compare it to that, it is never supposed to be clear. Your aloe vera juice should be yellow, just like that. If it's clear, it's not real aloe vera. So it's better if the Mexican markets here in Charleston, Goose Creek, and North Charleston, they only charge $1.53 for 1 aloe vera leaf, and you can use a food stamp card. Ain't no shame in my game. I get it. I'm disabled. I got a heart condition. That's my excuse. But anyway, you can use your food stamp card, and that's the only place that I know that's Guadalajara here in Goose Creek, Mexican market. They have it right on Red Bank Road for $1.53, and that's with tax. So, with that being said, this is the end of the video. I took pictures of it before I put it in the freezer. And I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum. Peace, love, and blessings to everyone. And I will see y'all again soon. I love y'all. Bye. My mold holds 55 cubes. The gray one holds 150 cubes, and the The blue one holds 160. Please keep in mind, if you follow this video exactly like I did it, you will get 3 cups of aloe vera fluid to use. And thank you so much. Y'all have a good night.